If you're a Nigerian in the UK hoping to renew your passport soon, then you need to stick to the end of this video.
Called your father now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here and this is your first time of seeing this pretty face, hey, ensure you hit the subscribe button to be part of this amazing family that is online. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. You're the real OG, you know this. Hey, based on my previous video, a lot of you have been asking so many questions on how to renew your passport, your Nigerian passport in the UK. So this video is going to be more informative, more of like a step-by-step process on how to renew your Nigerian passport in the UK. Without further ado, if you're ready, then I'm ready. Let's get straight into today's video. The first thing you want to do is ensure that your current passport, that is your Nigerian passport, is within 6 months of its expiry date. Let's get straight into the application process. You would want to visit the official Nigerian Immigration Service website, which is immigration.gov.ng. You'd be directed to this interface asking you exactly what you're applying for, if it's your passport, visa, travel certificate, or ECOWAS residency. For this case, we are applying for passport, so passport it is. Ensure that you sign up with your email address. This is the same site you need if you intend to apply for a fresh passport or you're just renewing. First information you're going to be filling is the type of passport you want, official or standard. Also your age range. Pick your processing embassy to be London. Choice or option for pages are 32 and 64. Here your validity could be 5 or 10 years, so whichever you're interested in, that's what you should pick. Next, you move in to fill more of your contact details, which entail your status, your age, and your NIN number. Now, this NIN number has to be very accurate. It's usually an 11 digit. It's a number given to you by the Nigerian government that's supposed to be with you for life. It's your identity. Yeah. Click on continue once you're satisfied with the details you've imputed. You'll be directed to a payment site called Innovative One. That's where all payments will be made. Keep the payment receipts safe. Once confirmation of payment has been done, you will then be given an application number and a reference number that will be very visible on the site that we started off, remember? Now, you can then move ahead to book an appointment. So all you need to do for appointment booking is insert your application ID where you're asked and your reference number where asked. The appointment slip carries your appointment details and is non-negotiably one of the documents that you need. Gather all necessary documents, including your current passport, application confirmation, that is this slip, payment receipt, and 2 passport sized photographs. Ensure that your documents are in order before your appointment. The amount that you use to photocopy in this place is ridiculous. This slip already carries all the necessary instructions that you need to ensure that this is your guide. For your postal order, just go to any post office and request for a £20 postal order for the Nigerian High Commission, and they already know what it is. They'll be kind enough to give to you. Of course, it's not for free. You have to pay. You can also purchase a special delivery envelope at the post office. For your appointment, you also need to ensure that your details on your NIN are accurate. So go on Google or App Store and search NIMC mobile app, and this is what you're going to find. So this helps you to generate a virtual NIN and also cross-check your details on your already given NIN. Final step is to attend your biometrics, which is what you've booked an appointment for. It's usually just taking your pictures and you thumb printing, and that's about it. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Until I see you in my next one. Bye, my loves.